My name is Abhishek Kenneth. Today I am going to talk about a very interesting fact, guys. Yes, today I am going to talk about 10 interesting facts which I observed in India. So, this will be my first topic which I am going to talk about. The second interesting topic is about a particular YouTuber who got arrested just because of putting videos and cheating others in terms of laundry and getting the money and spending lavishly. So, these are the two important topics which I am going to talk about. So, let me get into the topic right away. But before that, what I like to say is, let's see about the coronavirus cases. Why? Because when I saw yesterday, I was pretty happy about the coronavirus cases. I mean, as of now, when I am taking this video, the latest coronavirus cases is just around 60,000 cases, among which Tamil Nadu has recorded 8,664 cases, which is a pretty good thing, guys. So, I really appreciate the government of Tamil Nadu of what they have done to date. But it isn't over still yet. We need to go further. So, I request everyone to wear the mask and follow the social distancing and sanitize your hand wherever you go, even if the government opens or unlocks the state. Okay, so now let me come into the main topic. So, the first interesting fact is nothing but India has never invaded any countries for the past 1,000 years. Yes, you heard me right. India has never invaded any country. So when I saw that, I was thinking to myself, how is it possible? But even so, it is possible. Why? Because each and every other countries except India, for example, let us take the Britishers. They invaded almost all the countries in the world. Then later on, they even vanished. They even had gone from the particular country. So, in our history, we never saw that India has invaded this part of the country, India has invaded that part of the country. No. So, the first point is India has never invaded any other countries for the past 1,000 years or say 1 lakh years. The second interesting fact is nothing about India has many cultures, guys. To be frank, India has many cultures. For say Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikh and Christianity. So the only country which has this many religion is India. So that is why the India is known as the unity in diversity. The third interesting fact is that the name India was derived from a particular river known as the Indus. Yes, for me it was pretty a shock. Why? Because generally, if you see any country, the reader would keep the name of that particular country. but here it was derived from a river known as the Indus River. Or you may also heard the Indus Valley Civilization. So this river was that from the particular timeline. So India is obtained, the name India as obtained from the word Indus. And the fourth interesting fact which found for me particularly surprising is that chess was even invented in India. Yes, you heard me right. Today, the chess which we are playing was invented in India. So, this particular chess only we are using all over the world and even having a competition about it. The fifth interesting topic is about maths. Yes, guys, you heard me right. The fifth interesting topic is about maths. So, the subject for those who like the subject maths, the place value and the decimal value has been found only in India. Yes, guys. I don't know who found it, but this place value and decimal value has been found in India. The sixth interesting fact is that the world's first granite temple is Brihadiswara temple in Tanjore. Yes, you heard me right. The first granite temple of Hindu is Brihadiswara temple, which is located in Tanjore. That too, in particularly in Tamil Nadu, this temple is there. So it consists of around 80 tons of granite, and it was built around 1040 and between 1004 and 1009 AD. So this is the sixth interesting fact which I like to say. And the seventh interesting fact is that India is the largest democratic country in the world. Yes, guys, it is the largest democratic world. It is the largest democratic country in the world, and it is also the seventh largest country in the world. So this is pretty interesting for me. Why? Because we have even the last vast land in the world. And coming to the population also, we are the top of the list. Why? Because India is the number one in terms of population, which means India has around 130 population in this single country. And not only that, the eighth interesting fact is nothing about the post office. So if you see, the India uses the India has so many post offices in here. So the usage of post offices is more compared to the other countries. The last before fact, that is the ninth interesting fact, is about medicine. So you might think that English medicine is the oldest medicine in the entire world. No, guys. Here the Ayurveda medicine is the most oldest form of medicine which has been used here. And the last interesting topic is nothing about the religions of India. I already told you in particular fact that 4 religions of India only, which is nothing but Buddhism, Jainism, Sikh, and Hinduism, where this 4 religion has been followed by many people around the world. So, what the statistics is telling that here around 25% of the world's population are among these 4 religions, which I have told you guys. So, these are the 10 interesting facts which I like to say to you guys. So, on one half of the video is pretty interesting, like pretty fun video. Whereas the second half, which I am going to tell you about, is a small topic which is none other than the Madan OP. So, who is Madan OP? Madan OP is nothing but a YouTuber who runs his own YouTube channel in the name of Madan, where he used to put a gaming session. You may ask which game? It is none other than the PUBG game. I don't know how he has been doing it, but he has been putting it in the YouTube video. You may ask, obviously he is just putting a YouTube video, right? Then why has the police arrested him, and why has the people started eating him? Okay, for that I will tell you what had happened. This is on my point of view. I don't know the full story, I don't know anything, but this is on my point of view only. So, if you see, nowadays many people have started to come to YouTube, especially everyone, that to youngsters, which includes me. But that's not the case. Here, anyone can put a video, even let it be gaming, let it be information type, let it be cooking type, anything they can put into YouTube platform. So, like that, Madan OP also has started this channel, known as channel, I think by 2020. So, what happened is, initially he used to put many PUBG videos, among which what they have found is he had harassed many women by that video game, and he even cheated many people by playing that video game. You may ask, how is that possible? Yes, it is possible, guys. See, if you take this PUBG game, here the PUBG game here is not a single person game. It's an online game, guys. And in this game, many people, what they will do is they come and play this particular game, especially India. Why? Because India is the #1 country here also. India is also #1 country in using the PUBG. Eventually, many people are also using that video. Here, what happened is, here also same thing happened. So what he will do, he will say, I will help you and you should give me some money. And sometimes he will tell like that. And sometimes what he will tell on the other end is, hey, if you don't give money, I will kill you. So there are two different voices in here. So even say what happened is, he was doing it for many days. So as a result, he got red-handed by the police. So it is pretty difficult for me. Why? Because generally if you take that guy for instance, he had done for popularity. What the police is saying is they have arrested him and found two luxury cars, two luxury houses which has been built for in a crore rupee value. So it is pretty devastating for me. So if you see this thing has been done on basis of popularity only. So what I like to say here is, don't do any stupid things like this, in particularly in YouTube. Why? Because this popularity will not stand in any other way. Even I can do the same, but I will not. Why? Because I know this is harmful and this will eventually lead up in trouble. There are many other ways to be even popular, but I'm not going to do that one. So basically what I'm trying to say is, those who are having their YouTube channel, please post a very good content to your own taste. Do whatever you want, but please put their good content so that the people may entertain from your video. Nowadays, like TV, YouTube has become a common platform for everyone. The people who are watched and people who are putting their videos. I am happy on one end that many youngsters have jumped into the YouTube. But on the other end, we need to be careful in many other ways so that nobody like Madan, OP, will cheat. Again, don't think Madan Gauri. I'm not talking about Madan Gauri here. I'm just talking about Madan OP. So if I say Madan, it's Madan OP, not Madan Gauri. Got it? So I want each and every one of you to be safe. That's what I want. And I will even recommend each and every one of you to come into the YouTube channel. I will recommend that. Or to start in YouTube. I will recommend that. Why? Because nowadays the people are watching more YouTube videos than seeing in TV. So these are the two important topics which I like to say. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.